Hi guys, so today we are going to be doing a rainbow cut crease, and I'm probably not going to talk during most of it because like they're watching a movie literally right there, so yeah, it's loud. So I'm not going to be talking because like I'm just going to be putting down some colors. We'll see. It'll be okay. And I think that's about it. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Alrighty, so for this look, I think I'm gonna do like red, orange, yellow, and then blue, green, and purple. Yeah, something like that. So, yeah. So first I'm gonna go in with this nice orange color in the 35B palette from Morphe, and we're gonna put that right in the middle. And we're just using like basic brush. So. So I'm just gonna go through the look and explain where I need to, but I'm not gonna explain every step because like most of the steps are the same. I don't know if y'all can hear them, but like they're talking right outside my door, so sorry if there's background noise. So when you're blending the colors, yeah, when you're blending the colors, what I like to do is pat, as I hope you saw. If not, sorry. But go in and pat, and always go back and with all of your colors and set them down multiple times so that you can get them nice and blended. Cause like this looks nice and blended, but on camera this doesn't look like, yeah, it doesn't look the best. But in person it looks okay. So I don't know, it's bugging me, but it'll be fine. So just pat it on, and I mean, don't use a fluffy brush for this, use a more dense brush. I'm not gonna say like which brush is better, you'll figure that out I guess, but I like to use a nice dense and wide brush for this. So yeah, so now use a fluffy brush and take the red, and we're gonna create more of like a cat eye effect or like a wing, just like that. So yeah, so get a little bit of red. Let me see. Yeah, just pull it over. Let me zoom in real quick. So now we're gonna do green, blue, and purple. And I didn't say this at the beginning, but start in the middle so you know like where your middle actually is, and you don't use too much for the first color and then you're like trying to squish them in there. So yeah. So we're gonna do blue, and my blue has orange on it. I don't know why. But I'm gonna use these two blues mixed together. And yeah, it seems about good. Because other blue, actually, let me see if I can find a different blue. So I'm going to be taking, can't see that. I'm going to be taking this blue and probably mix it a little bit with the, hold on, with this blue. So I get like not such an intense blue. See what I'm saying? Yeah. So this is from Wet n Wild's Poster Child, and yeah, put that on there. So another thing I want to mention is always pat on the colors. Don't like swipe them on, because if you're swiping them on, you might not get as much color payout. But if you pat it on, it's gonna go on and it's gonna stay on in that position, in like that spot. So tips along the way. Now let's see, this green. Yeah, maybe poke myself. Maybe these two greens. This one looks very aqua. But maybe it is. Okay. So yeah, just this green, and yeah, just that green. So we're going to go in with this purple, and be careful because when you use purples and pinks and reds and like all of these colors, they might stain. I know the purple and the pink definitely stain. No matter when I use them, what base I use under them, they'll stain. But I'd rather have payout and staining than like no payout and no staining, so you know. So I'm going to take LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee. Yeah, Toffee. And we're gonna cut the crease. So, yeah. Alrighty, so my camera went out, and yeah. So what I did is I set it with, what's that called? Like your flesh tone, your skin tone, anything that's your skin tone. So that was fine. And then I put shimmery color on top, which was this one. So this I put on top of my flesh tone. And now I'm going to map out I have to find my brush again. There we go. With this little teeny tiny brush that I can get kind of fine a point. Ooh, I have better. No, it's fine. So I'm going to map out my wing and where I'm going to put my wing and everything with a dark eyeshadow. So yeah. Alrighty, so I cannot find my glitter glue anywhere, so I'm just gonna put my eyeliner down and I will be back. So I don't like this look for many reasons. One, my eyeliner is off, but that's more so because like I did the cut crease weird. Like individually, they're good. So I wanted to put glitter on this, but it didn't happen. So I have this. So I mean, that's cool. Ooh, I know what I could add. Hold on. So I'm going to take Lily in the Alice in Wonderland palette and going to put that on as my highlighter. And hope that saves this. I can hear my neighbors yelling. Can't really see it. Alrighty, well. Alrighty. So that's basically the finished look. I'm too discouraged to do my lashes or anything else, so yeah. Bye! If you liked it, please comment, subscribe. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye!